Okay, this is a video of the Harrison County dump. Whenever you come in, I just come across the scales. Whenever you drive into the dump, you have to go across the dump scale and stop at the window, which I'll show you on the way out. And you have to check in with the lady and show her what kind of material you're bringing in, as well as let her know that you're here, and she'll weigh you in, and then you head to the back here where we're going now, where you can actually dump the material, which I'm about to show you. You got to pull in and then you dump it, and then after you're done dumping, you got to go back down and weigh yourself out in order to get out of here properly, and in order for her to weigh and see how much trash you dumped. So here's the process for you in case you haven't done it yet or you don't know. This is where we're at with it. No cell phone use beyond this point. Yeehaw! Here we go, baby. This is the dump over here on County Farm Road in past Christian, you would consider. It's just north of the interstate off I-10 on Minge Avenue exit. And when we get over here, we basically okay, I bumped at the guys over here on their little excavator, and they waved me over to come on over. Basically want to look at the operators and make sure what you're doing is safe. You want to make sure that you don't pull into a spot you're going to get stuck, or pull into a spot that has a bunch of nails in it, because then you're going to tear your tires up. And I hate to say it, but chances are it probably end up happening out here. There's a lot of stuff on this ground out here that can really tear your tire up. So I wouldn't recommend bringing my personal vehicle out here like I am. Now I gotta back my trailer in. Go ahead and dump all this here. Alright, now I'm gonna dump it. Pause for a minute.